Brand new day, brand new day. What we got going on, we trading two things today. We looking at what's best to trade today. We got NAS100 and we're gonna have Bitcoin. Okay. All right. So right now, Bitcoin, we about to trade the New York Open. Okay. Trying to see what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Do a top-down analysis. And I'll be doing well this morning. If you watched my last live, everything was good to go. It's just consistently winning money, okay? On the monthly time frame, doing the top-down analysis with my moving average crossover, we see the market structure for the last year was going up until the structure broke right up in here, in this area. You see where the blue move, when you start seeing compressing, meaning the moving averages start going towards each other, they closing into each other, the price direction flipped, okay? Going to a whole new direction, okay? And this was going on by the monthly time frame, okay? The price has been going up for the last 3 months. High chance that it's gonna bounce right off this right here and support this green moving average and continuously going up on the monthly time frame. Now, if we do a back test, let me put this on a move real quick. Now, if we back test this, then look what happened in the past. Since 2000, right? Prices always respected that green moving average as support. Okay, so notice how the green moving average right here, right in the candlesticks. Let me make it a little closer for you. Use this. So you see how the candlesticks stayed over the orange moving, the green moving average and bounced off. Started going up around that time, right? All went to 2001, right? Price kept going up. Then around about mid 2022, price started going down. We see the blue moving average, right? Crossing underneath the orange moving average, okay? And then around about late 2023, the moving average, this blue moving average went up over the orange moving average, okay? And that's what happened again. It went underneath the orange moving average. But every time, notice the price always was in that area where the green moving average was, and it bounced off that. So it's a high chance. This is perfect timing. We all know Bitcoin was going to go up eventually, okay? And this is on the monthly time frame, okay? Now, to be quite frank with you, a moving average crossover strategy is by far the easiest thing to do when it comes to trading because it shows you the direction the price is going right now, okay? As long as your market is open, it's showing you the direction price is going. So if I go down to the 1 hour time frame, and we got about 10 minutes to the market open, okay? For the last few hours, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. About last 20 hours, price has been going down. How do I know it's been going down? We see it's been going down, okay? The moving averages right here say everything. Notice how right up in here when the blue moving average is over the orange moving average, the price was going up, right? Every time that structural pattern occurs, the price is going up. You keep the trade open until it's no longer doing that. When it start compressing to each other like this, you see compressing, that means the market is ending as far as the trend and the price is going away. For the last few hours, price is going down and it's still crossed over. So that's a strong opportunity there's going to be a sale today, okay? There's no indication that the market structure is going to break as far as the moving averages, okay? Moving averages trail the direction live price is going. That's what the moving average do, okay? If you want this information, just go to this website right here. It's on sale for $10. The whole algorithm, it comes with an alert system, letting you know when to get in and out the trade, okay? So that's for Bitcoin, all right? And let's look at NAS100. Let's look at NAS100. Bring the computer over a little bit. All right, I'm only got 100 in this account. I only put a little bit of money in, I flip up. All right, so NAS100, let's look at the monthly time frame. See what's going on with NAS. Look, NAS been going up for the last few years. This is what's important for you to understand. Okay, this is what you got to understand. Moving averages, these blue lines, the blue line, orange line, and green line, they follow the direction the price is going. If I told you to follow the Brinks truck to where the Brinks company is, and when everybody get there, you get $1 million, all you got to do is follow it. What you going to do? you're probably going to get right behind the Brinks truck and follow it there, right? And get the money, right? So that's what's going on with the price. This is a monthly time frame. So for the last few months, the moving averages has simply been following the direction the price is going based on the structural pattern. That blue moving average crossed over the orange moving average. And when that happened, the price goes up. It's been going up for the last few months. That's with NAS100. NASDAQ. If I go down to the hour time frame, this has been going on as well. For the last few hours, the price has been going down as well. Now, we see that it's hitting this point up, this area right here of support, okay? But we also see good market structure with those two moving averages, okay? Strong chance we're gonna be in the sell as well, okay? But we don't enter from the 1 hour time frame, okay? We enter on the 2 minute time frame. We got 10 minutes to the market open. This is what I trade based on the 2 minute time frame. Okay. Okay, like we got some good trades going on today. Now look, when the market open, we about to trade the New York Open. This is where everybody lose money. Okay, this is where everybody lose money. Right here, we got the Bitcoin right on the side, you know, and on this side we got the NAS100. Okay. All we doing is wait for you know why we wait for the open? Because there's going to be a lot of momentum. When the market open, we just don't get the trading. You know what I mean? We don't get the trading just because the market is open. You know, we wait for the market to do what it do. We see what it's going to do. Again, if I go, and you can get all this information, everything you see here for Liquid Broker with the chart, all this stuff is only $10, and it come with an alert system. You'll see it go off in a minute. Watch my last live video. Nothing but wins. Okay, it's all about pips. Okay, it's all about pips. It's all about pips. It's only about pips. You know, people make a big deal. They show these big wins and stuff like that, and that's awesome to show the wins. But they're not showing you the pips. They're making a few pips, and they just leveraging a lot of money at that one time. You know, that's why you see some people lose a lot of money at one time and stuff. You know, this is simple. I'm bringing a swing trade strategy to a 2 minute time frame, meaning we're getting the trends quicker. Now, look, just look at the simplicity. 2 minutes. This is a 2 minute time frame. It takes 2 minutes for each one of these candlesticks to form from left to right. Okay, that blue moving average is under this orange moving average. Let me use this right here. Okay, this blue is under the orange. Every time that happens, the price is going down. You leave your trade open the whole time. Okay, I'm back. I lost connection. Some of y'all want instant gratification and stuff, but the market is not even open, okay? I'm being patient. The market we have 8 minutes open. I have $100 in my account, okay? Right now, the best trade, in my opinion, let's see it again by the hour. This is looking real tempting. But watch what's going to happen when the market open. It's probably going to go up first, and that's exactly what it's forming to if you look at the 2 minute time frame. The head up because it's going to create a fake out, but it might go down. We'll never know. We react to what the price is doing. That's all we do. We got a few more minutes. How's everybody? Hope you know. You know, we got a few minutes. You see how we trade this open with my trading strategy, with the moving average crossover strategy. So simple to follow. Okay. A moving average is an indicator that's responding to what the price is doing as of right now. That's what moving averages do. Okay, let me put this on the move. I appreciate everybody coming on here watching because y'all gonna see some greatness going on. Y'all gonna see some real trading. A lot of people be doing all that guessing. Look, I'm not doing any guessing. I'm not doing any charting, and that's the beauty of this. That's the beauty of what's going on. I'm not in any trade. I haven't done any charting. All I'm gonna do is respond to what the price is gonna do. Okay? You see what I'm saying? This is the 1 hour chart right here. Yo, this is Liquid Broker, brother. If you go to this website, watch the video, you get this shit for $10, brother. There's only $10 on sale right now. You can't beat it. These type of algorithms will go on sale for like 20 grand, brother. 20 grand. Google it. Good trading, moving average crossover strategies, that system. You know, go to that website. You know, 500 leverage on Forex, which I recommend trade. You get 200 on NAS100 and you get 100 on Bitcoin and some other cryptos. It's only $10. You can't beat it. But look, the market is not open yet. Y'all about to do some good shit. Go back and watch my. I appreciate you, Hollywood Big Dog. I appreciate you. But if y'all watch my last live on I'm making money, motherfuckers like, damn. And the only reason I'm using $100 trying to make this realistic for you. You know what I mean? But it's all about the pip count, all about pips. As long as you can make pips, you can make any amount of money. That's what they don't talk about. Right now, it's on sale for the rest of the day for $10, y'all. It's on sale for $10. Moving average crossover strategy. We got 5 minutes. Okay, I got the hour up on right here. Let me go ahead and put this back on 2 minutes so I can get ready. I'm only trading based on the direction the price is going. Also, you see some other moving averages on here. You see this green and white moving average? Look, compression is going on. Compression means they're starting to go in towards each other. You know why? You see what happened? The moving average is also responding. See how you see how this blue moving average right here is going now? It's following the direction of moving average. Isn't this easier than anything the way to trade? When that makes sense? Look, the price is going up. The moving average is going up. Peep the moving average. Fuck the candlestick. I never look at candlestick structure when I trade, y'all. I never look at candlestick structure. Only time I look at candlesticks if I'm back testing to see how it performed in the past. Like right here. In the past, in the last few minutes, the price has been going down. How do I know? We obviously see the candlesticks, right? We obviously that structural pattern, the blue and the orange underneath each other, the price going down. Okay. When you go to my website, bestbitcoin.com, watch the whole video before you purchase so you can understand what you got to do. Okay. Even right here, look at Bitcoin. Price starting to go down. You know, but I'm going to wait till the market open. I'm going to wait. Let's go to the hour again. It's only $10. You get everything you see with the liquid broker. Mamba FX use it. Swag EP, they use liquid broker. All the big people use it. Look, on the hour time frame, we see the price is going to be going down. It doesn't get much easier than this, y'all. Do it get much easier than this to see what direction the price is going? That's how you make money, when you can determine what direction the price is going. This is CFD trading, stands for contract for dividends. That means if you think price is going to go down from here and take it as a sell, and if the price start going down from that angle, from that area, you're in money. You just got to adjust your leverage. And this trading platform, look, it come with this. You can see your margin. So for every trade, you can adjust your margin with the lot size. So you see right here, say $14 per lot size. Look how much Bitcoin is. It's only $8 per lot size. So as you go up on the lot size, it lets you know how much money you're spending. Very detailed. I love this platform. It's got a lot of widgets. If you go to TradingView, you're gonna spend all money just to get all this shit that you get for free on here. Look at all these widgets you get. Pip calculator, pivot point calculator, quote board, you know what I'm saying? Mini charts, a market scanner, a Fibonacci calculator. Shit, I could put a map on this motherfucker. I got 2 minutes, y'all, to the market open. 2 minutes. Look, a session map. Look, let's show you something. Look, I got a session map I could put up into the side, let you know what's going on. Now, this obviously the New York section. I don't know why they got that time like that. It's kind of, I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe because I don't know. But it is what it is. We got 2 minutes to the market open. This shit is only $10 right now, y'all. What I'm selling is $10. You are not going to be able to find anything this affordable for $10. You want to purchase today because the price is going to go up eventually. Look, price is already making this move, but I'm going to wait. Let me get everything adjusted so I can take these trades correctly when the trade's open. All right, look, I got 2 markers up. I didn't do any measuring. Did you see me do any measuring? Look, we got 1 minute to the market open. Let me refresh this. I haven't done any measuring. You haven't seen me do any charting. All I'm doing is following the direction the price is going. I don't care if that is going up right now. That don't mean shit to me. That don't mean nothing to me right now. I got 1 minute to the chart open. Let's see what's going on the 15 minute. Okay. So like it's about to hit this area right up in here and bounce back down. You know, look, see, look, by the hour's bouncing off this white line. Look, 14 seconds to the market open. I'm gonna take everything to tell me to trade. Here we go, 7 seconds, the market about to open. 4 seconds. It's open. Okay, Bitcoin. This is a sell, took that as a sell. Okay, I'm in profit already, as you see, because it's underneath, it's telling me the price is going down. This right here, I'm gonna wait because it like it's bouncing. But I'm in profit already. You see the price is going down already, okay? Look, it's bouncing just like I told you it was gonna do in a 1 hour, right? It's bouncing. Remember, the market just opened. I didn't do a lot of lots, y'all. I didn't do a lot of lots. It's all about the pips, though. Don't worry about the profit on there. You be able to make a lot of money as long as you're able to follow the directions and get the pips. The market just opened. I'm taking every trade they tell me to trade. I'm not taking this trade yet until I see better structure going on with it. But this one right here, this was strong. Look. Okay. Look at that. I didn't do any measuring. This on sale for $10 already. Look how many pips I got already. 162 pips already. So that's going down. And it come on an alert system. It's gonna let me know when to get in out these trades. Now look, remember I told you what was going on? Look, it's bouncing just like I told you it was gonna do. Didn't I say it was gonna bounce? You'll learn all this for $10. Go to bestbitcoinbroker.com. Best Bitcoin broker. Look at that. Talk about accuracy. This on sale right now for $10. Look at that. Price steady going down. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin steady go down. Like I told you it was going to do. Okay, now I'm going to get in this trade. I'm going to go ahead and get in this trade. I think it's going to bounce up, but you know what? You take the trade based on what it tell you to, but look like it's going to bounce down like I was telling you. But Bitcoin for sure, we in the sale for sure. Look at that. It's all about the pips. Look, I'm up 190 pips already with Bitcoin. It's all about the pips. Don't worry about the large amount of lot size. As long as you're able to get the pips, you'll be able to make the money. I've done no measuring. I've done no measuring. I haven't done any measuring. You saw me. I've done no measuring. Look, by the hour, it's going down like I told you it was going to do. Let me make this smaller. Look too. All right, there you go. Look at that. Look how the price continuously going down. This Bitcoin to open. Now look at NAS100. Look what it's doing now. It's bouncing back like I told you it was going to do. But I'm not going to take the trade until it tell me. Hold on, not the 1 hour, 2 minutes. Look, I'm doing this live, y'all. Look, right here live. I didn't do any measuring. This is $10 right now on sale. $10 on sale right now, look. Trying to get this motherfucker to focus. There you go. Look at Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin. This is NAS100. All both on the 2 minute time frame. I haven't got in NAS yet because I'm waiting for it to do what it do. I have done no measuring or anything, did I? All you got to do is go to this website right here to get the indicator. Watch the whole video there. You're going to get everything you see here, the algorithm, the alert system, the software. There's no download. You know what I mean? You don't have to download anything. You don't have to pay no additional. Everything you pay is a one-time payment of $10. Look, Bitcoin, look, I haven't lost no trades. I haven't done any measuring. I haven't done any measuring. I haven't done any measuring. Okay, so now it looked like I think I'm gonna go ahead and get in this trade with NAS100. I'm gonna take this buy now because it's bounced off that and now it's going up. So now look, I'm in 2 trades. Live, right? I take all the trades that tell me to. You really want to just trade in the direction to trade, tell you to trade. But look, I'm in 2 trades. To the left, NAS100, to the right, Bitcoin. Okay. At times you may lose a little bit of money, but the wins are always money you lose. Y'all need to go to my website if you want to get this information. Look how many pips I'm up. Both of them. Look, I'm in a positive, both of them. Look at the pips. We winning. Little lot size, but it's about the pips. Don't ever get confused, y'all. These people telling y'all, yeah, you can win all that money and stuff, but they're not telling you the pips. I'm gonna help you make a lot of pips. That's the difference between me and them other people. I make a lot of pips. I look, Bitcoin steady going down. This is being indecisive, the NAS100, but I keep this trade open. As long as this blue is over the orange, I'm keeping the trade open, okay? I'm not gonna stop this trade. Even though like I wanna go down, I am gonna listen to look, this is a good opportunity to see what the moving average is gonna do. That's why I use moving averages. At times, if you were a novice trader, you would have got out that trade, wouldn't you? But look at that. The price is really going up. Guess why I know that? The blue moving average is doing its job. That's why moving averages is better than other shit. You would have got out that trade, think you were losing. The moving average job is to follow and filter where direction is really going. So I never lost. I'm doing what it's telling me to do. You just follow the directions it's telling you. If it's gonna go down, let it go down. Keep the trade open. You don't stop the trade until it tell you. The market just opened. Bitcoin is still going down. All I did was take the trade in the direction it was already going when the market opened. It's not hard, y'all. Some people make it hard though. Some of y'all really, you know, and I'm not judging y'all, but y'all sold on that, I'm sorry, I'm trying to, my screen acting funny a little bit. What the fuck? Hold on. Ain't this a bitch? Look, anyway, I don't know why I keep on. Look, it's still in sale with this one. This one about to be a sale. It looked like it, but I'm gonna keep the trade open. I'm sorry, keep on zooming in. And look, in situations like this okay. That's okay, y'all. As long as you follow the system, that's what matters. Look, it looked like it's gonna go down, right? Let's see what really happened. Look, you see how the moving average is keeping it adjusted? What if it keep going up? Most people would have got out this trade right now. We assume it's gonna go down. We don't know. What if it keep going down? I mean, what if it keep going up? I'm gonna keep the trade the way it is. I'm in profit with the Bitcoin. We know he is, but this is throwing me off my trade. But it still giving me the right signals. Now look, I never closed this trade. Look, I never closed the trade. Look at the Bitcoin doing this. Look at that moving average doing this fucking job. The blue line and the orange. Look, it's following the direction the price is going. It's not closed yet. This trade is still going. We fighting. We seeing what's going on. This is the beauty of it. You see how it's still letting you know if the trade is still going on? Look, Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin. We know that's a motherfucking profit. Bitcoin all day doing what it's doing. Look, this is all profit. But this shit right here, NAS100. Now look, look at that. Hold on, man. I wish I could go ahead and make this small again, man. What the fuck? My screen fucking up. Look, if y'all want this information right now, I gotta go to this website. Best Bitcoin broker. My screen, I'm trying to get my computer screen, but look at that Bitcoin. I got in here. Look at this. This is what you need to look at. Look at that moving average. How his job. We would have got out that trade. A novice trader would have been out this trade. But look what my moving average doing. It's keep me in the trade because it has not crossed over. That's why I use moving average. This is the beauty of fucking moving averages. Make this part. Now look, if it go down, it go down. Whatever. Then I just take the trade that way. It is what it is. You're not gonna win every trade, but it's not that the information is bad. It's because it's just the market. It's you know, responding to the market. Look, Bitcoin steady fucking falling. And we got that signal right there when the market open. What am I trying to do? Okay. There you go. All right. Look, Bitcoin is solid. Look, that motherfucker steady going down. This the motherfucker I'm looking at. But look how this moving average is keeping this trade open. Man, come on, man. Why my phone doing this dumb shit? It's fucking up my whole shit. Look, Bitcoin, steady and sell. Look at this. Look at NAS100. That's what's important. Look at this shit. Look at the beauty of this shit. I kept the trade open. I didn't close the trade. That moving average is keeping me in direction the trade is going. That's why moving average is better than smart money concepts, because it is shit. Look at this shit. I'm in profit with this motherfucker, and I'm about to be in profit with this motherfucker, all using moving averages. All I'm doing is letting the moving averages do his job. Shit. You go to this website right here, Best Bitcoin Broker. Look, go back and watch this whole video when it's over, so you can see what happened in the beginning of the market. You gotta watch this whole video. And if you watch my last video, it did the same fucking thing. All I'm doing is winning money with the moving average crossover strategy. The alerts haven't came on yet because we haven't had a crossover. But man, I might have to start over and go back live again, because this motherfucker, my screen is fucking it's throwing me off. It is what it is for the time being. Look, small lot size, but look at the pips. Don't get caught up. Yeah, look at the pips. I'm up 700 pips for Bitcoin right now. NAS100 is what's throwing me off. But I keep it a trade open. For whatever it do, I'm going to do what it tell me to do. But look at this. And this signal wasn't wrong. I'm going to tell you, this signal wasn't wrong at all. It's what's going on with the price. This was going on with the market. The market, moving averages respond to what the market is doing. But if you watch the beginning of this video, I never took any, I didn't do any measuring or any of it. I didn't do anything. I'm sorry, y'all, that shit's so close. Look, if it cross over right here, the alert system gonna come on. If this blue go underneath this orange right here, the alert gonna come on, let me know. I'm keeping the trade open though, because the moving average, I'm letting it do its job. The job of the moving average is to trade the direction the price is going. Look at Bitcoin. Look, y'all make sure y'all go back and watch this. This whole system is only $10, y'all. You get the algorithm, you get the alert system. Everything you see is $10. This is Liquid Broker. You go to this website, bestbitcoinbroker.com. You get the broker for free, obviously. You get the system, you get the alert system, you get the algorithm with the moving averages. You'll be able to do this. Go back and watch this video. $10. It's not gonna be $10 for long, it's only right now. It's a $10 sale. I'm helping people. Look, this is what I'm excited about. Cause not the Bitcoin. Of course, we see we getting the piss with the Bitcoin. That was easy. I like the fact this show you how moving averages are fighting for you. It's keeping that trade up. And see that blue moving average, how it just went down? It's fighting for you, because if the market's really going up, it's gonna stay up over the orange line. If it's gonna go underneath and cross, it's gonna cross. It's doing it what it do, but it's keeping me alive in the trade for the overall direction. That's what the beauty of this shit, man. Hey, y'all, I'm about to start this video back up. I'm finna end this and start this back. I'm finna start another live or something, because it won't let me. Fuck it, I'm gonna keep it going. I'm tired of my screen being so motherfucking, Now look, Bitcoin certified, y'all. Look, y'all go back and watch the beginning of this and see what I did, what type of shit I did to get these trades. I ain't do shit but follow the directions. This is NAS100 and this Bitcoin. I traded both of them at the same time. Now look, this blue moving average is crossing underneath this orange moving average, right? There you go. That motherfucker funny. All right. There you go. So you see how the blue moving average is now crossed underneath this orange moving average? I'm not going to stop that trade until it tell me to, regardless if I lose some money. Because the price could go back up. If you've been watching this whole video, you've seen how it's been going. Look at Bitcoin doing this fucking thing with my moving averages. $10, y'all. This shit $10. Look, I'm about to lose a couple of dollars for real dealing with this NAS100. But now, look, I keep it open because at times when we think we're going to lose a certain amount of money, it could go all the way down here and bounce right back up. You see how it's bouncing up? $10. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Now look, this is what you're gonna receive. The alert system about to come on. Watch this. And yeah, I'm about to lose a couple of dollars, but I'm keeping the trade on. Watch what's gonna happen. Sell. Look at that. Right there from the cross it told you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop that trade. Now I'm gonna take this as a sale like it told me to. Get right back in the trade. Look. So now you see the beauty of what you're getting? The alert system. When the market, now look, right in profit. Look at that, right in profit. I was saying the market was gonna go down anyway. I've been in profit with Bitcoin. Everything you see I'm doing live, and this is on a $100 account. I lost $10 total off of NAS100, but I'm way in profit for Bitcoin right now. And this is finally doing what it do. So look, that money I just lost, I just won it back already. Look, the money I lost, I just won it back already. That's why you take every trade to tell you to trade, because you're gonna win your money back anyway. Look at that. I'm trading two things at one time. I've done no measuring. Go back and watch my other live video. $10. I'm the only person online talking about liquid broker and an alert system. Look at that. I got two trades going on at one time. And if y'all wonder if this worked good on gold, look, let's look at gold. Hold on, let's look at gold. Because everybody want to trade different things, metals. Look at gold. You would have been in profit with gold. Because the market up and right here, it would have told you to sell. I don't trade gold. Now look, you see, the market is consolidating for NAS100, obviously. It's obviously consolidating. This shit is getting crazy, bro. My screen is fucking up. Look, I'm about to start this back over. Go to this website. It's $10 right now. bestbitcoin.com. It's on sale right now for a limited time only. It's not gonna stay this price. Look at what it's doing. You know, this market is obviously consolidating. Matter of fact, I'm about to stop this trade right here, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. I'm gonna stop NAS, and I'm gonna show you why in a minute. This is why I'm about to stop NAS, okay? This is a learning session for you. You see how, hold on, let me make this clear now we can see it. All right. You see how this white line and this green line are kind of flat? The market is flat. You don't trade when the market is flat like that. You're gonna get a lot of consolidation. That's why I was saying I like this Bitcoin, how it looked at the beginning, because it wasn't consolidating. Like when I go to the 1 hour time frame, look at all that trend, we caught all that shit. But look, it was already by the hour going down, and it was already showing what it wanted to do. But look, this is consolidating. That's why I lost some money. But look, see what I'm saying? It's hugging this area right now. That's consolidation and stuff like that. It could be bouncing or something like that. But look at Bitcoin. Matter of fact, I want to look at something else real quick because I got another trade open somewhere else. Okay, perfect. So I'm in profit with that shit too. All right. Let me look Australian. Okay, that's in profit too. Okay, everything as you see, what I'm trading with, it responds to everything good. Damn, I should have been doing this shit. Look, I know you think, look, this is what I'm about to tell y'all. I've been saying this earlier. But look, that's why I'm not in this market right now with NAS100. It's consolidating. And it's you know, throwing my money off. Look, that's what, you see what I'm saying? And you see how the white line is straight and the green line? The market is consolidating. You don't trade in markets like that. You'll get a lot of false signals. Even though I should have kept the trade open because it's showing me that it was a sell, I usually just keep it open. I'm not taking that chance. But look at Bitcoin. And that's what I tell people to focus on for real, because Bitcoin do big momentum, and it rarely do all that consolidating. But look, my bad, y'all. Look at Bitcoin doing this fucking thing. This shit consolidating. But don't get it twisted though. I'm gonna win all this money back. I'm gonna still be in the positive. Only reason I lost because the market consolidating. It's consolidating, that's all. You see how's all that shit going on is consolidating. You don't trade in the consolidated market. If we go, oh, that's on the 1 minute too. I need to look at 2. Yeah, there it go. It's even better to see now. You see how I'm saying? It's hard to see because there's so much going on. But you see this green line and this white line, they're kind of flat. It's consolidating. But look at Bitcoin acting a fucking fool. If you was trading this, you would have been in profit. Now, I'm going to tell you something. All you need is one pair to be profitable. You don't need to trade all these pairs. I was just doing this to show you that it's catching everything. But look, the moving average is responding to everything, right? But look at the Bitcoin. Let's just make this full screen. Because that's what my stuff is dedicated to. Look, we cut all this first trade. All we doing is following the direction the price is going. You see how up in here, the blue moving average went underneath the orange moving average? It's trailing the direction the candlesticks are going. If you're new, this is perfect for you because you don't have to learn any fucking thing. You just trading based on the color coordination and the patterns. That's all you doing. You trading based on the color coordination and the patterns. That's all you doing. If I told you to follow the leprechaun to the pot of gold, if I told you to follow the leprechaun to the pot of gold and you get all the money just to follow it, or are you gonna, well, let me do this? Are you gonna make it harder and try to do some other shit? No, you're not. And if you do, it wouldn't be too smart. That's what a lot of people do with the smart money concepts. They trying to measure and shit. They trying to do all that measuring. I don't do any measuring. If you've been watching this, I haven't done any measuring. Only reason I lost some money because this market is consolidating. NAS100, it's consolidating. Finally, god damn, I don't know what's going on my screen. Look, you see how the green line is underneath, the green and white line is flat. They're flat. You don't trade flat markets. It's consolidating. That's why you see all them candlesticks. But look at look at this. Look at Bitcoin. Man, every time I press that motherfucker. But look, go to the website, y'all. bestbitcoinbroker.com. I'm going to start this over in about 5 minutes. I appreciate y'all.